힘으로 안 됩니다. 그러나 여러분 꼭 말씀드려, 예수님은 우리 같은 인간이 아닙니다. 그분은 하나님, 그분은 하실 수가 있습니다.
And one of the things we are looking at is actually to get all my pastors to go to the Good News Theological College or University.
With our leaders, with the traditional leaders, we need to have specific programs for mind education.
I think we can also have a program for our teacher because
저희
the
선생님
teachers who are
교육도 있으면 좋을 것 같다는 생각이 드는데.
아, 예, 좋죠.
Yes, that's very great too.
Struggling with sin for a long time, being a pastor. I've been preaching the word of God, but still in my heart I feel that I'm guilty. But during this process of seminar from Reverend Sopak, I got new revelation of the word of God. Jesus does on our life to save us from the beginning to the end. We need to do nothing so that we can be saved.
Getting the true word of God and knowing that Jesus Christ, the one who gave his only body and poured his blood, we got truly sanctified and we are born again. So I am very grateful that I'm a true born again now. So the Good News Mission.